Hello, welcome to the Genius Gateway, as we discussed about polymorphism in our last video. So today we are going to discuss types of polymorphism. First, we can see the definition of polymorphism that we discussed in our last video. Polymorphism is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming, and it allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. Polymorphism has two types: compile-time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Let's see what is compile-time polymorphism, also known as static polymorphism. It occurs when the method to be invoked is determined at compile time. Let's see it in terms of code. In this example, the appropriate method is chosen during compilation based on the method signature. Now, what is runtime polymorphism? Also known as dynamic polymorphism. It occurs when the method to be invoked is determined at runtime. For example, in this example, the draw method of the shape class can be overridden by its subclasses, and the actual method called depends on the object's type at runtime. So, these were the types of polymorphism. Like, subscribe, and share to see more videos like this.